Hey YouTubers, and welcome back to Tony the Technician's channel, and today we're going to be going into a brand new product by Gearwrench, and that is their compact work light. It's brand new, just released not very long ago. It'll be linked down in the description if you guys are interested. I'll bring you in for a close-up so I can show you all the details and specs on it, but it's really nice, really bright. It's going to be a universal light that's really good for a lot of different occupations or just to have at home. Mechanics, construction, auto detailing. As you guys might know, I'm kind of getting into that. So this is a great all-around light, and it's very, very heavy duty. So we're going to take a close-up look, and I really hope you guys enjoy. If you guys do, please make sure to hit that thumbs up. Leave a comment down below of your thoughts, and as always, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Let's get into this. Okay, so what we have here is the Gearwrench compact work light, part number 83352, and it's really heavy duty. Like I stated before, this is an all aluminum housing, really heavy duty. It does have a rubberized coating up here at the top, as well as the bottom portion here, as you can see, and then it's got this built-in swivel hook. And then it does have a rubberized portion with a magnetic base. So you can kind of angle this wherever you want on a metal surface or hang it if necessary. And it does have that rubberized portion over the magnets so you don't scratch any paint or anything. You just have to make sure that you don't have any metal shavings or anything on this rubberized portion. But other than that, that's the hook system on it. Very nice little light. So as far as lumens, it's going to be 100, I believe, 100 or 150 for the top light, and then anywhere from a 150 to 300 lumens on the front light. And for this size of light, this thing's really bright. It's got 4 hours of runtime. It's solvent resistant, it's water resistant, you know, for dust as well and all of that, so nothing gets inside, it doesn't get corroded or anything and stop working. So over here you have the rubberized power button, and as far as charging the unit, it is sealed away down here. And when I say sealed, I mean it's sealed. So it is the new USB-C type charger, which is included with the flashlight. So that's sealed really well. It has a 1-year warranty and it runs $30. So that is a pretty good price, especially for this quality and the usefulness of this light. I've spent way more on a way cheaper light, if that makes sense. Something that isn't this good a quality, I've spent way more on. So for $30, this is a great little light. So this is just the front light, and I mean this thing is bright. And then, or that's the top light I should say, and then for the front light, that is low and high. I mean this thing's, it's bright. So it's going to be good for a lot of different applications. Whether you're working in an engine bay where you don't have a lot of light down here and you don't have a son or daughter or anybody to hold your flashlight for you, the magnetic base on flashlights has become one of the most handiest things I can say in the last 10 years. And the hook is nice as well, just in case you're not working around anything metal. It's nice, it's bright, easy. It seems very durable. So this is definitely going to be one of my go-to lights for sure. And it might actually be something that I add to my detailing portion for when I'm doing paint correction and stuff like that, because it's nice to have a light to be able to see where the swirls and stuff are in paint. So if you don't look directly in the reflection of the light but look around it, you can see swirl marks, and that comes in really handy when you need to, you know, find out how much correction you're going to need to do to the paint. Alrighty YouTubers, so that's just a really quick look at the new Gearwrench compact work light. I think for $30 this is a great deal. I can't explain, I mean this thing's got some heft to it, especially for its size. And 4 hours runtime on this little guy, that's pretty good. I'm surprised by how bright it is for how small it is, and how directional this top light is. That's really handy as well. So remember, part number 83352. It'll be linked down in the description for you guys if you guys are interested. And I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys did, please make sure to hit that thumbs up. Leave a comment down below of your guys' thoughts on the new Gearwrench compact work light. And as always, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. See you guys in the next one.